Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Scorpio. What's coming to you ngayong November 2024? For Scorpio. Oh, okay. So, you have, this is Inghwas. So, inner growth ito. So, pwedeng ito ay about yourself, no? Meron kayong mga discovery, self-discovery na maaring ito yung time na gusto nyong mag-explore ng inyong sexuality, ng inyong sarili. Oo, lalo na kung meron kayong natutuklasan sa inyong sarili na, ito pala yung gusto ko, ito pala yung preference ko, ito pala, ganito pala yung pakiramdam ko. So, this can be your sexual preference or this is about your inner growth na kung saan marami kang gustong malaman tungkol sa sarili mo, sa mga pinaniniwalaan mo before, like yung belief system mo, maaring nagbabago rin. And this is also being aware. Nagiging self-aware ka na may mga bagay pala na ginagawa mo before na hindi nakakatulong or hindi nakatulong sa happiness mo or sa pag-unlad ng career mo or ng business mo. So you are learning a lot of lessons. Especially that Isa is here. Kasi yung Isa is about can be frustration or obstacle na pwedeng yung iba sa inyo meron kayong pinagdadaanan or pagdadaanan na challenge na kung saan magkakaroon kayo ng realization about life na parang nagigising ka, no? Nagigising ka sa katotohanan, sa realidad ng buhay. And this is giving you a lot of learnings, no? Life's lessons na nagiging dahilan rin para mag-explore ka pa ng ibang opportunities outside of your comfort zone. Kasi nare-realize mo na, hindi lang pala dito ang kaya kong gawin, no? Pwede palang mag-explore ka, lumabas ka sa comfort zone mo, mas mag-take ka ng risk, i-discover mo pa yung sarili mo. Okay? You also have, this is Raidu. Raidu is about travel, journey. So, speaking of discovery, self-discovery, you are going to try new things, no? Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo bubukod kayo sa family ninyo, parang kumbaga hindi nyo nahahayaan na kayo ay nililimitahan ng ibang tao or dinidiktahan ng ibang tao. Gusto nyo kayo ang mismong merong control sa buhay ninyo. And you will go on this journey, pwedeng alone or with someone na talagang pinagkakatiwalaan mo. So, it's more on focusing on yourself this time, Scorpio. Kasi kung dati nakafocus ka sa ibang tao, sa ibang bagay, ngayon sarili mo ang iisipin mo. Dahil gusto mo na may magbago, may umunlad, may lumago. Let's see what else, Scorpio. Ayan, sleeping man, unconscious. Maari kasing may mga bagay na iniiwasan ka or hindi mo pinapansin sa sarili mo before kasi akala mo hindi yun mahalaga. But I think ngayon, ito na yung time na, like ko na mention kanina, gigising ka, na nagiging aware ka sa sarili mo kasi you were avoiding it. Parang nagtutulog-tulugan or nagbubulag-bulagan ka sa isang sitwasyon na kailangan mo na talagang harapin. Forgiveness. You are forgiving yourself. You are forgiving the people na nakasakit sa'yo. Mga taong nagbigay sa'yo ng trauma. Maaring sarili mo rin to na you are forgiving yourself dun sa mga nagawa mong pagkakamali. Minsan kasi we get too hard on ourselves na sisisihin natin yung sarili natin, nakasalanan natin. Yes, sometimes talagang kasalanan natin. But since may awareness ka na nakasalanan mo, na meron kang pagkukulang, then ano na yung next nun? It's about you forgiving yourself and moving on and become a better version of yourself. Okay? You have spider, creativity. So you will tap into your creative ideas, creative talents, creative skills. I feel like ito yung isa sa i-discover mo sa yung sarili, yung mga bagay na kaya mo pang gawin, yung mga talento mo na hindi mo pagtutuunan ng pansin before kasi nakafocus ka doon sa mga naging pagkakamali mo or mga bad decisions mo. So this time, you want to, parang mas gusto mong maging productive ngayon, magawa yung mga bagay na may meaning para sa'yo. You want to have a meaningful life. Let's see what else. You have the Three of Pentacles. There are people na sumusuporta sa mga gusto mong gawin, someone na naniniwala sa kakayanan mo. You might be collaborating with these people. Sila yung tumutulong sa'yo na ma-improve yung iyong sarili, ma-improve yung career mo, yung trabaho mo, yung business mo, your perspective in general. So, I think mas magiging productive ka ngayong November. Okay, you also have the Sun. The Sun is about clarity, kaliwanagan ng isip. When it comes to direction, no, kung nung mga nakaraang buwan, confused ka, naguguluhan ka, anong path yung tatahakin mo, ngayong November, makakakita ka ng clarity. No, you will see clarity in which path you will take. And I think there is someone who will also guide you, will give you yung kanyang knowledge, no? Kumbaga, bibigyan ka ng advice, guidance on what to do, no? So, this person is going to help you break free. O yan, no? Parang you are breaking free from your limitations, diba? Itong isa, like what I mentioned kanina, this can be a limitation around you or parang frustration sa buhay mo dahil feeling mo may mga bagay na hindi ka nagagawa na dapat mo sanang gawin. And now, yung ako ano man to mga obstacles na to, you are removing that. Meron kang sapat na lakas na paglabanan yon. At, yan o. You are definitely breaking free. You are trying new things. Meron kang lakas ng loob ngayon na sumubok. At hindi lang siya parang susubok ka lang kasi gusto mo. It's about your passion. It's about your determination. Okay? And taking a risk. Some of you are going to take a risk in trying new things or may mga new beginnings for you. Like example, ipupursu mo na yung career na gusto mo or yung creative talents mo and skill set mo. Yung iba, lilipat ka na ng bahay, lilipat ka na ng trabaho. Wow. So you are definitely going to gain stability in your finances. Babalik yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo na mga kaya mong gawin. Okay? Kasi itong Queen of Pentacles energy is someone na very resourceful. Lahat ng mga needs niya, kaya niyang i-provide para sa sarili niya. Some of you will also have this leadership role. This can be sa trabaho, sa business, sa career, or just to have parang meron ka lang sarili mong tiwala sa kaya mong gawin na you can overcome any challenge. You have water carrier energy, so someone who is very generous, very loving, and this is your energy, water sign, as a Scorpio. I also see you na mas magiging sensitive sa feelings mo, sa feelings ng ibang tao. You are going to be more nurturing, no? Someone na kayang mag-alaga sa sarili at sa ibang tao. Yan, heart and home. So, some of you, you are going to go back to where you came from. Pwedeng babalik ka sa iyong hometown. You will connect to your roots. You will, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng, parang, yung foundation nyo, yun yung babalikan nyo. Gusto nyo, meron kayong very strong foundation. Ayan may change ng direction for some of you. Merong major na decision making na gagawin. Wish will not be granted. So, may mga wish na maaring hindi matupad for you. It's because merong redirection. Merong ibang plano para sa iyong universe. Okay? Temporary problems. Ayan, magkaroon ka man ng challenge, problema, temporary lang yan. Part lang yan ng mga bagay na kailangan mong solusyonan, gawa ng paraan, dahil dun mo matetest yung iyong pagiging resourceful. Final message, lovebirds. Passionate declarations can lead to love. Okay, for some of you, pwedeng may unexpected love or relationship. This makes sense kasi may dove dito. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo may reconciliation with someone, pwedeng romantic, pwedeng friendship or sa family na may kapatawaran kasi rito may forgiveness. So, maaring this is also reconciliation with yourself na kung dati parang dinadown mo yung sarili mo. Ngayon, you really believe in yourself, no? Kumbaga, mas malakas yung tiwala mo sa sarili mong kakayanan. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!